Good morning, guys. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I thought I'd try and make a video of some picks that I bought from Sparrows, Sparrows lock picks a while back, and you can see I'll put in a image or film short clip of the picks laid out on the table, and there are 8 picks that I bought, 2 Euro hooks 15 and 25 thousandths, and 2 short hooks 15 and 25 thousandths, and there are both with handle and without. Price wise they are very cheap. Without handle $3.90, with a plastic handle $4.50. And my favorite pick of the lot is this one. This is the short hook in 25 thousandths, and as long as the keyway allows for 25, best I've had from any. I have one pick that I really like, that's better than that one, but that one is handmade and sent to me by a friend on the Locksport community, and yeah, that one trumps this one. But from a store-bought, I would say that this one is really the bee's knees. You can see that I have put on some shrink wrap. I did that because the edges are a bit sharp, but anyways. Now, picking with these, you really get some feedback from the lock if you're paying attention, and I'm not quite sure about the 15 thousandths because they are a bit flimsy, but with the handle it's okay. For the price wise, they are matching Peterson by far. And I have quite a lot of Peterson picks, but recently the one pick that I have been going for is this set of Sparrows lockpicks. They are just phenomenal. And here is a view or a bit of a video from one of the locks that I've picked in making this video. It's a simple Schlag keyway. It's not a difficult lock to pick. If you're paying attention, it'll be open in less than a minute. And it took me, this was the first time in a short while that I have actually started or tried picking a lock. It took me a bit longer than I'd like, but that's just the way it goes sometimes. Right, anyways, thank you for stopping by my channel, guys. I really appreciate it. I am going to make videos again. I am going to make different sorts of videos, some lock sport, some not lock sport. Maybe a vlog or two, like you've seen in the last video. I would like to say, please stay legal in lock sport. Only pick locks that you own. Only pick locks that are not in use. If you pick locks that are in use, you could and probably will destroy them over time. Please stay legal and stay safe, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.